Welcome back everyone to another video, and in this one we talk about how to decrease battery health on iPhone. Well, it is something that people actually look up, but I'm not sure what they mean. In case you really want to just downgrade your battery, like let's say you check out your battery health and it's like normal, it's like 100%, and you want to just make it go down, well, this is definitely not recommended, and decreasing battery health on purpose can permanently damage your iPhone. So I would not recommend you to do that. So there are some things which you might want to do, or perhaps you're trying to like reverse search it and you actually want to know what not to do to, decrease, to keep the battery as it should be, right? So in case, what the things that you need to avoid to make sure that the capacity doesn't go down is to you should not expose your iPhone to extreme heat or cold, which can degrade the battery. So keep it at the room temperature, take it outside, do whatever you want, but don't put it in the freezer or something, obviously. Now, what you should do is, what you should also avoid, then you should not overcharge the battery by leaving it plugged in for extended periods, especially overnight. But this can be, set up in the battery section of your iPhone. In the charging, you can easily turn on optimized battery charging, which like learns your habit and stuff. So, it's gonna charge it to 80% normally, and then it's gonna drag out at the time. So that's pretty useful to keep your battery intact. In case you don't have this enabled, make sure you turn this toggle on. What you should also stick to is the proper official accessories for charging, whether you're using wireless or the actual cable. You want to make sure that it's certified from Apple or from other reliable source. You not really want to use some kind of like off-brand or something. So yeah, that's what you gotta do. And also make sure to use your iPhone in a like regular way. If you're not using Wi-Fi, turn it off. If you're not using Bluetooth, turn it off. You don't really need to have the AirDrop turn on in case you don't use it, right? So just try to be like save the battery. But in my personal experience, I've been using the phones regularly, and I've been upgrading to the latest models usually every year, and it's not like you can really destroy your battery on purpose by any kind of using this kind of like damages, and like these changes in the battery behavior are going to happen like 3 or more years down the line. So after that time, a battery replacement might be necessary anyway. So that's something that you gotta do, right? So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.